Friends, hello everyone. We are glad to welcome you on our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily update the Instagram app on Android. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments under the video, and let's get on with the topic. So friends, in order to update the Instagram app on your Android, you will need to open the same app where you installed Instagram. So, you'll need to open the Play Store or the App Store. Next, look for the word Instagram at the top. Once you find that app, open it. And where I've got the word open now, you'll have the word update. Click on it. And you'll see the update process start. This update process is very fast and will not take longer than 2 minutes. After the update, you will be able to immediately open the updated Instagram app. Also, friends, I recommend you in the future not to update the application every time. Often independently, I recommend you to set auto update. To do this, you will need to click on the 3 dots on the right side at the top. Select Set Auto Update. Check the box. And that way, every time there's an update in the Instagram app, it will automatically update without your help. That's the way you can, friends, update the Instagram app on your Android. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.